I'm a filmmaker. Today, my camera follows the making of Baja Fish Tacos. Crisp, fresh, and layered with flavor. In cooking, as in film, the beauty lies in transformation. Raw elements becoming something unforgettable. On the table, white fish, cabbage, lime, spring onions, and spices. Each has its role. The fish is the lead, the cabbage gives texture, the lime cuts through richness, and together they carry the scene. First comes the cabbage. It is shaved into thin ribbons, each strand catching light like frames on a reel. Its crunch is vital. Without it, the taco would feel heavy and flat. Next are the spring onions. They are sliced into fine rings, quick and precise. They add brightness and a hint of sweetness, keeping the flavors alive. Meanwhile, water and vinegar are poured over the vegetables, worked in by hand, then left to rest. This softens their bite and adds tang, so the slaw becomes a sharp counterpoint to the fried fish. At the same time, mayonnaise, chili, garlic, lime juice, and salt mix into a smooth sauce. It's bold but balanced. The chili adds fire, the lime keeps it fresh, and the cream ties everything together. Now it's time for the batter. Flour, spices, and beer are whisked into a loose batter. The bubbles from the beer ensure a light crust, airy instead of heavy. Before frying, the fish is carefully patted dry. A small detail, but crucial. Moisture would make the batter slide off. Dryness ensures the coating clings and crisps. Then comes the knife. The fillet is cut into pieces and sprinkled with salt. Salt doesn't just season, it firms the flesh and prepares it for frying. Soon after, each piece is dipped, then lowered into hot oil, where it sizzles and turns golden. The frying locks in moisture and builds a crisp shell. Don't overcrowd the pan. Space keeps the crust intact. Finally, assembly begins. A tortilla is spread with the chili lime cream, topped with a piece of fish, and finished with pickled cabbage. Each layer adds contrast: soft, crunchy, rich, sharp. like light, sound and story blending in film. In Baja California, they are often eaten right by the sea. Food as both flavor and place. Filmmaking and cooking share this truth. Timing, detail, and patience make the difference. These delicious Baja tacos are one scene in a much larger story, and the next one is waiting.